Hello, myself Jeshwant, PsephologistLLM Batch-1. Now let me explain the architecture diagram of our project. Our project is divided into three main parts, that is data analysis, sentimental analysis and prediction. Now in the data analysis, first we collect the data according to the state, year and constituency wise. Uh, then the user takes the prompt from the website. The prompt lets the user takes the only take the data from the files. When the user is given the prompt is given into to the 53 LLM. Now 53 LLM makes the prompt into an SQL query. Then the query goes to the MySQL database, and the database sends back the data. The data then received is given to the chat.js JavaScript framework, I mean library. The chat.js can directly render the pie charts into the pie charts or bar graphs into the website. This is data analysis part, including front end, middleware, and back end. Now coming to the data analysis, sentimental analysis. Yeah, in sentimental analysis, when a user selects a party name and if wants to see the sentiment analysis, the selected party name goes into the uh, our backend server and then gives the user his required pie charts. Now, in our process, we first select the datasets according to each party, and the datasets we are collecting from Kaggle datasets and Google News. Since from Twitter we can't scrape API, I mean tweets. We are using Kaggle datasets and Google News. Uh, the datasets we obtained, will pre-process them considering removing null values and having the good data. Then we train the data into the text blob library of Python. This Python library lets statement into polarity subjectivity. That means it gives a sentimental score to every tweet, like a score ranging between 0 and 1. This lets the gives us positive, neutral, or negative polarities. That is sentimental score. Uh, this sentimental score is stored into a JSON file such as BJP, like positive so and so, negative so and neutral so and so, into a JSON file. The JSON file is then given to chat.js of a JavaScript library, and the chat.js then renders the pie chart into the website. Now, third part into the prediction. We plan prediction so that we mix the data analysis and sentimental analysis together to give a perfect outcome. Yeah, how we are doing this? We consider historical data, like how a party is performed in the previous year, so that party may have chances to win the next election also, like BJP won the third consecutive time. So this data and the sentimental data, we combine the sentimental data, like how people are thinking right now about the party, and we let the LLM decide how, like how whether a party is gonna win in the next elections or not. Then the LLM gives a score to each party, like BJP has a 60% win rate in the next elections, like Congress have 15%, and like BRS may have 10% or so. The data is stored in a JSON file. Then JSON file is given to chart.js and then stored in a pie chart. This goes with the prediction, and this is our architecture diagram. Now, let me explain data analysis in clear. The LLM model we are using in this is Py3 LLM. We are using this LLM because we are using this LLM to generate an SQL prompt. To generate an SQL prompt, a basic LLM is needed, and Py3 is the best suit of it, giving concise and faster results. Yeah, the database we are using is MySQL, like local SQL in my laptop, and the method is text to SQL, like converting text to SQL. The platform we are using Phi3 is Olama. It's a local platform I'm running Phi3 on, and here the user selects the year state and then the constituency, and when hits an analyze, it sends a prompt like give a party wise performance from for the year 2019 from Telangana state in Hyderabad constituency. Then the 53 LLM converts that statement into a SQL query and then sends into my SQL database, retrieves data and shows the result into the web page. Now, sentimental analysis. In sentimental analysis, we are using a Python library called TextBlob. It is a Python library used for calculating sentimental score, combining the subjectivity and polarity scores. These Python library basically assigns a polarity score to each tweet, and then the total score is stored in a JSON file. Like polarity is the amount of sentiment of neutral, positive or negative in the tweet. Subjectivity is the amount of personal opinion present in the tweet, like how a person is actually feeling in the tweet. Yeah, when a user selects a specific party in the website, that party's pie chart is shown as a pie chart, as you can see in the image. Moving on, predictive analysis. In the predictive analysis, we combine both sentimental analysis and data analysis to give the outcome. We combine the output of the JSON files of data analysis and sentimental analysis. The LLM we are using here is T5 LLM. Then we use charges to produce the required pie charts. And the JSON file we structured is state name, constituency name, and winning candidate. And this can use like percentage of the BJP party, and then gives into the website, and we are yet to do it actually. Moving on, what is the value propositions of our website? Our website features sentimental analysis, data analysis, and prediction. Sentimental analysis is a unique part of our website, as no other website or any other entity in the internet now provides sentimental analysis to a national party dynamically. And we utilize this LLM to perform these tasks, making our services unique. And data analysis in our project is also a unique feature, like getting analysis report for every year, like considering from 1963 and present 2021. We have every year elections, we show in it in a pie chart friendly to the user. We delivers the latest news about political parties. Yeah, we make sure it. Our features are user friendly interfaces designed for ease of interaction. This is our value propositions of our website. Now let me take you to a quick guide into our website. This is how our website looks like. This is a home page. This is an SVG, active SVG. If you click on a party's name, it takes into the respective party's state political website, or anything you can go with. See now, Telangana takes into the CEO Telangana website. Similarly, like clicking on Madhya Pradesh takes it into the Madhya Pradesh. These are static images and some named people like Sri Narendra Modi, Draupadi Murmu, and etc. Coming to parties. So this is how the sentimental analysis looks like, showing you the positive and sentimental distribution of BJP and everything, positive, neutral, and negative. This is a BJP. And coming to Congress, positive, negative, neutral, and DMK, Anna DMK party, like BSP party, and everything else here. This is our sentimental analysis. Data analysis. This is the year of which we want to get the analysis of. Now let me consider 2019 elections, and so let us take Telangana itself of Hyderabad constituency. Now let me show into the inspector, into the console. See, now when I click analyze here, it sends a prompt to the LLM, like you can see here. For the given year, give me the party-wise performance for the given year 2019 for the Hyderabad constituency. As you can see loading here, it sends a uh, request in the backend and then shows the bar graph here. Yeah, let us wait for it. Yeah, this is a bar graph of the 2019 Telangana Hyderabad constituency election results. AIMM, as we know, it is the highest, followed by BJP, TRS, INC, and some other election parties. Similarly, let me show. If we select 2021 year, these two gets resetted and prompts for the only states that are being held on 2021 year. Like, let me take Himachal Pradesh. 2021 on Himachal Pradesh, only Mandi constituency is had elections, so only this is shown. Similarly, for every year, like let me say 2015, only these three were taken. Like 2008, only these some of taken. Basically, these parties are taken on these drop downs from the JSON data we are considering in the backend. Yeah, this is our data analysis part. This is our contacts form where whether you can give a message to us considering your tweets or any other things. I can get these details in my MongoDB database. This is the chatbot we are adding as an extra feature. Like basically, I did it with Google Gemini API for now. Uh, See, let us take this image. How can I help you? Or you can ask for any other political parties information it can give us. Yeah, this is our tool, and thank you.